Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your PK ma'am and let's learn another chapter of 12th standard, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes. What is meant by haloalkanes and haloarenes? So haloalkanes, also known as alkyl halides, are a group of chemical compounds comprised of an alkane with one or more hydrogen replaced by a halogen atom. Halogen atom means chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. The haloarenes are different from haloalkanes because they exhibit many differences in method of preparation and properties. Nature of CX bond in alkyl halides. So X is more electronegative than carbon. As you can see, X is more electronegative. So the CX bond is polarized with carbon having a partial positive charge and X having a partial negative charge. As we can write here. Next one is the preparation of haloalkanes. So first we can prepare haloalkanes from alcohol using this catalyst PX2. X2 means Br or iodine. HX anhydrous ZnCl2 PCl5 or SoCl2. These are the catalysts. So catalyst plays very important role in this type of reactions. Next, from alkenes to haloalkanes in presence of HBr in the presence of peroxide. Third one is hydrogen to haloalkanes in the presence of Cl2 or UV light or heat-free radical halogenation. Fourth one is the halogen exchange method. In this reaction, halogen, that is X is replaced by another halogen or element. As you can see, alkyl halide plus sodium iodide, NaI. So we get alkyl iodide and sodium halide. RBr plus AgF. So we get RF plus AgBr. This is the halogen exchange method. Preparation of haloarenes. Arenes means aromatic. As you can see, this is the aromatic structure. First one is by electrophilic substitution reaction. CH3 arenes means aromatic ring, benzene ring, plus X2 in the presence of Fe and dark. This reaction will proceed in dark. So we get two products. This X is substituted here in presence of H. In the next reaction, 383 Kelvin and in sunlight. This reaction will proceed in sunlight. So we get two products. But यहाँ पे HX को बाहर निकाला है, यहाँ से X और यहाँ से H. CH2X plus HX. Sandmeyer reaction. So Sandmeyer is a chemical reaction used to synthesize aryl halides. These are aryl halides. From aryl diazonium salts, we get aryl diazonium salts using copper salts as a catalyst. In this reaction, aniline reacts with NaNO2 plus HX. X means halide, halogens. In presence of 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, we get benzene diazonium halide. From benzene diazonium halide, in the presence of Cu2X2, copper salt, we get aryl halides. X means ClBr plus N2 plus HCl. Third one is Gattermann reaction. So Gattermann reaction is a chemical reaction in which aromatic compounds are formulated by a mixture of hydrogen cyanide HCN and hydrogen chloride HCl in the presence of catalyst. In the first reaction, this is benzene diazonium halide. In the presence of CuHX, we get aryl halide. This X is substituted here and N2 gets evolved, N2 gas plus HCl. From diazonium chloride, this is N2X, that is benzene diazonium halide in the presence of Ki, potassium iodide, warm, we get aryl halide plus N2 plus KCl.